Welcome back to the Happy Farming channel. Today, I'm visiting one of my friend's homes, and it feels so refreshing here. This cozy home is surrounded by beautiful flowers and grapevines. My friend has a wonderful collection of orchids, and there's also the sound of birds singing, making it feel like we're in a garden deep in the forest. Underneath the grapevines, he has used the space to grow vegetables for his own consumption and to sell. There are many varieties of grapevines here, and he's even installed a UV-protected roof above them. This helps shield the plants from rain, which can prevent rapid fungal growth. What my friend has done with his yard is truly inspiring, not only decorating it with flowers but also using it for growing fruits and vegetables, which can add to his income and benefit his health. It's great to be able to enjoy fresh vegetables and grapes straight from the garden. The grapes here are of the Transfiguration variety. Producing long clusters with large berries that taste fresh and delicious, not too sweet and not too sour when ripe. I hope this inspires all of us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe.